Hey everyone and welcome back. I'm Mr. Stoltz and today I'm taking a look at the Yeezy Powerphase Calabasas in the core black colorway, and this is what it looks like at the front. So let's take it out. So here we got it, the core black Calabasas. My favorite out of all the three that has been released thus far. What is your favorite out of the three? The first one, the gray one that was released a while ago, or this core black version? Anyways, so the front of the toe box, it's made out of leather. It's really thin, really soft, feels good on my fingers. And moving up, we have thin black laces. And then one of the parts that I thought initially when I bought the shoe, when I saw it online, no, not when I bought the shoe, but when I first saw it, was that I thought that everything was black on the shoe. Because you know, on Instagram and other places, people that post pictures of this shoe, they increase the contrast a lot so that everything looks black. But the tongue on the other way it's not really black. It is a dark gray color. And when I first got it, I had my hints few in there, like at different places. But when I saw it, I was like, oh, it's not really black, but it's still of a darker gray, so it doesn't really bother me that much. If this was a lighter gray, I would be more annoyed of it, but that's my only issue with this shoe. I would rather see it in a all black colorway compared to this one, but it's still a really nice look of the shoe. So thin laces and then the gray tongue. Look at the side of the shoe. The entire upper is made out of leather. Really nice. We have the 3 stripes in the middle with the golden Calabasas at the side. Moving up a little bit, we have the Adidas in green and then trefoil logo in red. And on the inner part of the shoe, there is nothing. There's no Adidas, trefoil, or Calabasas logos at all. So really nice, clean, subtle look. Taking a look at the back, we have the second part that is actually the gray part. So on the upper of the back, we have this gray, dark gray color as well. And it moves down a little bit with the stripe right here. It's not that bad, but I think it would look even better with all black, just blacked out Powerphase. That's just my opinion. Adidas trefoil logo at the back. And then taking a look underneath the shoe, we have this shoe is actually, it has a lot of traction and grip. So it's a really nice shoe to walk around with. And then it says Adidas trefoil logo at the back. The midsole of the shoe, it's comfortable, but I've had some comments before saying it's a Yeezy shoe. Is it as comfortable compared to let's see here, where is it? There you go, the Yeezys. No, you can't really compare it because that's Boost and this is not Boost. The majority of people watching this video already know that, but I've had a few questions about that, so that's why I addressed it a little bit. Yeah, looks nice, feels pretty good. Go with your true to size. You could probably go half a size up if you wanted to. But for me, this fits perfect on my feet. And let's see here, on the inner side of the shoe, we have an inner sock liner. It's all black and it says Adidas. And then we have the trefoil logo in the brown with the 3 stripes. Padding around the inner collar. The information label is placed on the back side of the tongue. And that is about it. Let's see this on feet. So what do you guys think about this on feet? I really like it. I think it's a clean, nice, classic silhouette that will work with almost everything. My only thing is that when you're walking around, you can see your toes because the material on the toe box is that thin. So you can see it a little bit. That's probably the only thing that bugs me a little bit on this shoe. Other than that, it's a really nice shoe. So that was it. What do you guys think about this shoe? Leave a comment down below and let's discuss this. And I'll be really glad if you leave a comment, put a big thumbs up, share it, whatever you guys want to do. I like it. Big heart. So thank you guys for watching. Click here to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and click right here for more sneaker related videos just like this. So thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome weekend. I'll see you very soon again.